Welcome to your installation guide for your Kinetic Wi-Fi extender. We know how important solid Wi-Fi coverage is throughout the house. This video will guide you through installing your Wi-Fi extender in order to get the most coverage. First, place the extender next to your gateway. Plug one end of the power adapter into the power port on the back of the extender and the other end into a power outlet. Wait until the light on the front stops blinking green and turns solid blue. This can take up to 2 minutes. Press the WPS button on the extender for 10 seconds. The WPS light will begin to flash. Press the WPS button on the gateway for 2 to 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi light on the gateway will begin to flash. Wait until the light on the extender stops flashing and is a solid white color. This can take up to 2 minutes. Once the light is solid, your extender is paired with your gateway. You can now move your extender to its intended location. Follow these steps to move the extender. Unplug the extender and move it to a new location. Ideally, we want to move the extender about halfway between the gateway and the area with poor signal. Keep in mind, the extender still needs to be in range of the gateway to pick up the signal. Plug the extender into a power outlet. Wait until the light stops flashing green. This can take up to 2 minutes. Next, wait until the light changes from a solid blue color to a solid white color. This can take up to 3 minutes. Solid white means the extender is in a good location. If the light is blinking blue-yellow, blue-red, or stays solid blue, you should move the extender closer to the gateway. Once the lights indicate a good signal, grab a wireless device and make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi. This extender can work with multiple other extenders, creating a mesh network in your home. With standard gateways and extenders, you can only move so far away before experiencing weaker signal. Older gateways can only pair with one extender at a time. With a mesh network, you can have multiple extenders throughout your house, so you can move anywhere and still maintain solid Wi-Fi coverage. Mesh network provides the following benefits: flexible coverage, additional points can be added for hard-to-cover areas. Self-healing, if one point goes down, communication can be rerouted through another point. Please note that if your gateway loses connection, your internet still will not work. However, if one of the extenders loses connection, the coverage from the remaining extenders can prevent service interruptions. Direct path. Since all points are connected to each other, data will take the most direct path towards its destination. Once your extender is installed, you can access other FAQs, chat with us, and manage your Wi-Fi connection all from the GoKinetic app. Check out the video link on screen to learn more.